From class 8. Today we made tech. We have already collected our ingredients. Then we can take some tomato and sesame. And some. Then we can take some tomato. Then we can take some tomato and sesame. And also add some salt. Yes. And some lemon. Then perfect.